If you want to record your audio on your Samsung phone, so in this video I will show you the exact process on how to do that. Now first of all, just go to the app drawer and from here, just look for the voice recorder app. Now if you cannot find the voice recorder app on your Samsung phone, just open the Galaxy Store, then in the search bar just search this. And from here you will be able to install the Samsung voice recorder on your Samsung phone. Now after you install the voice recorder, then tap on open and select while using the app. And from here, if you tap on the microphone icon, you will be able to record your voice using the voice recorder app on your Samsung phone. And once you're finished recording, just tap on the play button over here. Then tap on the square icon to save the voice which you have recorded. And from here, you can rename your voice. For example, I will name it this. After you're done naming your voice, then select save. And as you can see, this is the voice which we have recorded. You will be able to record your voice using the voice recorder app on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can record audio on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.